Hey guys, I got a shadow in my face. Character driver here. Welcome back. Changing the battery today. Maybe you saw yesterday's video. Maybe you didn't. Probably didn't, since it only got like 3 views. I went and bought a new battery for my Grand Cherokee, and I'm gonna put it in today. So, couple quick notes. Do check what battery you have. Why is there so much shade hiding my face? You know. Do check what battery you have before you buy a new battery. I bought, the most important thing I paid attention to was the group size, because that determines whether or not it will fit in your vehicle. So mine was a 34. I got a new 34, made sure the posts were in the right spot. And then the cold cranking amps are pretty important as long as you have enough of them. So like the one that's in my Jeep was 600 and the one I'm putting in is 800, so it actually could start in colder weather than this one can. But I think 600 was fine. It was no issues. They didn't have any 600s available, so I bought an 800. Yeah, I think that's really all I'd worry about. There might be more, but that's all I worried about. So let's get the new battery out. So the 2 wrenches that I have on deck today are a 10mm for the bracket here and a 13mm for the cables themselves, the battery cables. That's really all I got to worry about here. See if it comes apart. No, it's not. See how these are like interlocked here? What we're going for is getting these bolts backed off far enough to where this has enough space to uninterlock, you know? See, now, I don't know if I can hold the camera and do this at the same time, but they are loose here now. See, I think, oh yep, there, just like that. All right, so turn these to the side. Now I'm gonna work on the posts. So this case here lifted right up out of there, and now free battery. Oh, it even got a handle. Wow, gotta get this thing off of here. Just a quick FYI, in order to get this weird bracket thing off the top, I just pushed on this and it pops loose here. There's one on this end too, so boom. Now I bought this tool here. It's a very simple tool to use. I used to keep one in my old Ford F-150 all the time because the posts would corrode a little bit and the clamps, the terminals would corrode a little bit, and this thing just cleans them off so well. I can show you how to use it quick. So it has the open end here for cleaning the post. These posts don't need cleaned, but there, you get the idea. And then the other end, you just twist it and this cap comes off. I'm trying to do this with one hand. All right, see, you got this here then. And then you just put this in the terminal. As you can see here, it's all scraped up in there, all shiny. So it's gonna get a good connection when I put the battery on. In fact, speaking of putting the battery on, it is ready. It is ready to have the battery put on. Tuck this away here and get these out of the way. There we go. All right, here we go. Ugh. Oh, I gotta make sure I got the right direction here. I gotta spin this sucker around. There we go. All right, so we're gonna throw this on there. Oh, hold on, hold your horses. All right, so we got the red one and we got the green one. This black one was on there too, but that, I don't even remember that being on there before. I think it's just, I didn't see it before. All right, got the negative, got the positive, got the light on here, so we have power. Now, let's just, oh, hold on. I think I'm supposed to put the case on before I put these on, but hey, I'm just gonna snug these a little bit quick, try starting the Jeep, and then I'll take them back off and put the case on and everything. All right, moment of truth. Brand new battery in there. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't start. Ready? Wow, okay. That's odd. It clicked. Now it's squeaking. There, okay. Serpentine belt was slipping or something. So it clicked the first couple times. That's weird. And then just turned over and started just fine. Like, what the heck? Okay, well, it started anyway. So now we're gonna turn it off and put the case and everything back on the right way. Huh. That's odd. It's actually a little bit annoying that this handle is right here. Like on this one, it folded up and down like that. But these sit right on top of it then. So that's annoying. All right, I'm gonna clamp this down and we'll get her finished up. So when I put this battery in just now, I really had to snug down the negative terminal in order to get it tight. And I wonder if that's kind of why it took a few clicks to get it to turn over and start a minute ago. Because maybe it just wasn't getting that snug connection, you know? The other thing I was thinking before I realized that is maybe the starter isn't getting a good connection, the wire going to it or something, so it took a second for it to get power. That's what I was thinking. I'm actually going to check the antifreeze here, throw a little bit in there before I start it again. It's probably pretty low. All right, fingers crossed that there is no click, click, click before the start this time. All right, here we go. Got the lights, got the beeping. Click, click, click. What the heck? And then the belt squeaking. I don't understand what. Okay. So I know for sure that the battery is getting juice to the Jeep and starting it. So for now, I'm done messing with it. I'll worry about whatever else needs to be worried about later, because I gotta worry about Easter right now. And character driver out.